How hot?
That's good enough.
That helps.
Oh yeah, that's good. That's good.
That's good.
That helped a lot. That makes it easy.
Yeah.
Don't overnight. Okay.
I know how to butch it now.
Yeah. Butcher, not butch. What you can do? Pull on this.
Daddy lost some.
You want to try with my knife? Maybe it's better. Huh?
Sure. I don't know.
Here.
Gotta be careful. It's a knife.
I know. It's not sharp.
Okay, try with mine. This is very sharp. There's nothing better than a good one.
Yeah, this thing is great. Much better than
Even that one I just bought.
What?
Just it looks nice. These are, you got the point and you got everything.
Yeah. Good. Light.
Yeah. Okay, now here. Now we can end like this. Then it comes here.
Biggest thing is it.
Yeah, that's it.
You know how many people are asking for meat?
Look at this one. Divide it. Yeah. Oh, I know everyone who wants to meet.
Yep. I'll give a couple people a few steaks here and there.
It's in your hand. It's up to you.
I'm not giving anybody roasts. But see the whole back portion?
But that was my idea, is that you have enough to give to your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what?
When you get it going, I'm coming.
We'll see.
Can you see this one?
You cut his throat on. He's cutting the throat like crazy.
See?
Oh, you got the stick on.
So when you hold it like this, you got to make it when you have the skin like this. Yeah?
Just got What parts are you cutting?
Whatever I can pull.
Okay. Now here. Something in here. Okay? This fits to me. This one doesn't go.
I guess I gotta move back.
There you go. See? No saw, no nothing. That's the way it's supposed to be done.
Dad, Grandpa,
Okay?
help me the jacket.
Don't worry, I'll pull that.
Yeah, you're coming. Yeah. Roll it over. Okay.
But how are you going to take